Day-to-day motoring causes minor scuffs and debris marks to your alloys and damage to your tyres, spoiling the appearance of your wheels, along with having to pay out for a repair or replacement. We can take away this worry and inconvenience with our tyre and alloy wheel maintenance plan. Up to 4 times a year, you can book your maintenance inspection at the dealership. Our approved agents can provide treatments to your alloy wheels and repairs or replacements to tyres that have sustained damage, causing an air leak. Protect yourself from these unexpected expenses and drive away happy with GardX tyre and alloy wheel maintenance plan. Ask your dealer about GardX maintenance plans today.